This is a waste oil heater. It's currently running. This is from LANAIR, or LANAIR, whatever you want to call it. And this tank is 215 gallons. We were running low on the used oil, so you can use actually used motor oil, transmission fluid, even heating oil, or diesel directly can be dumped into this tank right here. Anyway, we're running low and we needed a pump. We needed to pump out of this 50-gallon drum into the tank so we can burn it in our heater. So we have a 8,000 square feet shop here that we work in. The temperature outside is close to about 35 degrees, so Fahrenheit. So it is pretty cold. This heater has been running for about 2 hours, and the temperature, as you can see inside, is, I would say, about 65 degrees, 66, somewhere like that. So it works pretty good for us. The model we are running is the LANAIR MXD300. So the model is MXD300. So in order to transfer the waste oil, did some research and came up with this pump from Northern Tools. This seems, according to the research, it seems to be the best option. The pump was about a little over $500, and I also bought 2 hoses from Harbor Freight. I think each hose was like $25 or $30. So these are 1-inch hose, and let me show you the setup on the pump. So I took like a storage container and took some plywood and screws, and there's a 2x4s underneath too. So anyway, the pump is secured in here, and there's a hose, as you can see, 1-inch hose connected on this side, and then another one on that side. So I have not used it yet. It's brand new setup. I'm about to pump it for the first time, and I'll show you guys how fast it's doing. As you can see, this 50-gallon drum is pretty much full, so I want to see how long it takes to pump this 50-gallon used oil into the tank over there. So just making sure which side is the suction line. So here's the book for it, the user's manual, and as we can see, that's the pump right there. And you look at this, so according to the user's manual, this side is the suction line, so this will go in the drum, the white drum. Alright, I'm about to insert the suction line into the drum. As you can see, it's pretty full, so see right there. I'm gonna just insert it all the way. Alright. And I'm gonna insert the other side into the tank. So the other side has been inserted into the tank. It's connected to the power. It's supposed to be self-priming, so once I turn this button on, it should start pumping. So let's see. Alright, there he goes. I hear something. Alright. Let's see if anything's coming out on this side. Well, I may have it wrong. The suction line might be the other side. Let's cut it off. Let me switch it out. I believe the suction line is on the other side. So I have switched the suction line. Now this side here is in the white barrel, and this other side here is in the tank at the moment. So we're gonna try it again. Once I confirm that is the correct way. I wish they had marked it here on the pump, but I don't see any kind of marking. So we're gonna try this and see if this works any better. Alright, we're gonna turn it on and let's see what happens. Alright, let's see if we get any fluid coming or no, nothing is showing. It's supposed to be self-priming. Oh, there it is. There it is. You can see. Let me put some light. Okay, so we can see fluid coming in. Let me take it out a little. See, there it is. It is coming out. So definitely confirmed. This side here is the suction line. Alright, so I mean, it was definitely full, but right now I can see the level is right here, so it is pumping pretty good. It's a pretty good speed. So the setup is working well. Let's see how long it actually takes. It's been about 5 minutes, and we were here at top of the tank, and I can see, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but we are a little bit lower than half. So in about 5 minutes it took out about 25 gallons. Actually, I would say maybe more like 30 gallons. So the whole setup is working good. Again, here's the model of the pump. It was from Northern Tools, and the hoses again was from Harbor Freight. So if anybody want to set it up, I guess I'll update you after I use it for a while to see how it's working, the pump. Alright, that's it for right now.